Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. World-renowned Jamaican sprint coach Glen is calling on the International Olympic Committee, IOC, to push back this summer's Tokyo Olympics until next year to preserve the health of athletes and spectators as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to spread worldwide.
My recommendation would be to postpone the Olympics until next year.
President and head coach of the Racers Track Club, Glen urging the IOC not to risk the health of athletes as the COVID-19 coronavirus continue to take lives globally and cripple the livelihood of athletes.
This would be unprecedented, but so we are in unprecedented times. Move everything up 1 year, and then everything will eventually fall back in place. But I don't think that the Olympics will take place at the time that is specified.
The IOC President Thomas Bach and the Tokyo 2020 Organizing Committee have maintained that the Games will go ahead as scheduled to start on July 24. Meanwhile, Mills, who coached Usain Bolt to 8 Olympic gold and 11 World Championship titles, told TVJ Sports that the current athletes at the Racers Track Club have been unable to train since this Wednesday due to measures put in place by the Ministry of Health and the closure of the Usain Bolt track as well as facilities at the National Stadium.
The athletes have been instructed to do whatever exercises they can do at home. And if there were open spaces where they can do some kind of exercise, etc., they can do so until the training facilities open back, and then we can start back proper training.
In the meantime, Coach Mills also revealed that there are uncertainty as to whether the Racers Grand Prix, one of 10 meets on the 2020 World Athletics Continental Tour Series, would go ahead. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.